Welcome to our channel. Bunker shots intimidate many golfers, but proper technique makes them surprisingly simple. These fundamentals help you escape sand consistently. Step 1. Select your most lofted wedge, typically your sand wedge with 56 degrees or lob wedge with 60 degrees. More loft creates higher, softer shots. Step 2. Open your stance significantly, aiming your feet well left of your target. This promotes an out-to-in swing path that slides the club through sand. Step 3. Open the club face before gripping. The wide-open face prevents digging and creates the bounce necessary for successful bunker technique. Step 4. Position the ball forward in your stance, off your lead foot. Dig your feet into the sand for stability, lowering your center of gravity. Step 5. Focus on entering the sand 2 to 3 inches behind the ball. Your club never contacts the ball directly. Instead, sand propels the ball from the bunker. Step 6. Make an aggressive, committed swing. Bunker shots require speed to move enough sand. Deceleration leaves the ball in the bunker. Step 7. Follow through completely, despite hitting sand. Think of your swing as slapping the sand hard behind the ball, creating an explosion that lifts the ball. Step 8. Practice regularly from various bunker lies and distances. Develop feel for different sand textures and shot requirements through experience. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.